The TUVA Smart Toilet. Congratulations on your purchase of the TUVA Smart Toilet. Once you've unpacked your smart toilet, gently remove the seat from the ceramic bowl. You can do so by disconnecting the electrical cord and water tube located underneath the seat. Please note the water tube is connected with a pressure snap-in system, which can be detached by removing the blue clip and pressing down on the outer ring. Place the seat back onto the ceramic bowl, reconnecting the electrical cord and the water tube after the placement is secure and the seat fits snugly into place. Using the rubber seal ring and the flange bolts provided, you can install the ceramic bowl onto your floor. Please make sure to follow your local plumbing code requirements before full installation. You may now connect the water supply to your toilet and place the decorative plate on top of your water inlet pipe. In cases where you do not have a matching water inlet pipe, we have supplied one with your smart toilet for your convenience. Next, you may screw the shutoff valve onto the inlet pipe and then connect the reducing valve to the shutoff valve. Now connect the toilet supply line to the reducing valve. As a test, please open the shutoff valve and make sure there is no leaking. If no leaking is present, you may now plug the power cord into your wall socket. Your smart toilet comes with its own remote control. To activate the remote, press any button. You may use it to access all of your toilet's functions. The toilet will emit a single beeping sound whenever a command was received. If the toilet emits a double beeping sound, it signals the desired function is currently inaccessible, and a triple beep signals the maximum or minimum level of the setting has been reached. If you do not hear any sound, the command was not registered, so please try again. Now that your smart toilet is fully installed and ready to use, double check to ensure your water inlet is open and the plug to your toilet is securely in the wall socket. Upon first power up, the toilet's blue light will start blinking and the nozzle will come out. The blinking light indicates that the bidet water tank is filling with water. A sensor in the toilet will stop the filling process automatically after approximately 2 minutes when the tank should be full of water. Please note the bidet and drying functions will not work if the user is not sitting on the toilet. In this video, we will use a wet cloth to simulate a user sitting on the toilet. Pressing the spray button on your remote will activate a single jet nozzle for a powerful and precise cleaning session. Pressing the spray button twice will initiate the nozzle's back and forth motion for greater overall coverage. You can alternate between functions by pressing the button repeatedly. You may adjust the level of water pressure during your cleaning session by using the remote control. If you are using the highest setting and still require additional pressure, press the air pump button. This will boost the pressure and simply press the button again to stop. The lowest level of water pressure means the water will only come from the base of the nozzle. Pressing the bidet button on your remote control will activate a 4-jet nozzle function. Same as in the spray setting, pressing the bidet button twice will activate a back and forth motion. During the usage of spray or bidet, you can adjust the nozzle position by using the forward and backward buttons on the remote. Once finished your cleaning session, press the drying button on the remote. Pressing the drying button twice will move the dryer attachment in a back and forth motion, and you can adjust the position of the blower by pressing the forward and backward buttons. The smart toilet will flush automatically when you start the drying function or whenever you stand up. Alternately, you can always press the flush button on the remote or the manual flush button on the side of the toilet at any time. Press the stop button at any time to halt any function. The TUVA Smart Toilet allows ultimate customization of experience with adjustments to water, air, and seat temperature. The smart toilet will let you know which level of temperature you currently selected by the beeping sound it will emit. Please consult your instruction manual for the range of temperature setting options available. You can control the night light from the remote control at any time. And for eco mode, press the power button when not in use. The toilet will reduce its electrical consumption during off-use periods. Press the power button again to completely power down. It is very important that the user never tugs or pushes the nozzle by hand. This will potentially break the toilet and void the warranty. In the instance of a power shortage where the nozzle stays extended, the user should not push it back in manually. and instead wait until the power comes back on, at which time the nozzle will retract on its own. Please take a moment to carefully read the instruction manual included with your smart toilet before installing and/or using it. If you require any assistance or have any questions regarding your new smart toilet, call our customer service. Any tampering has the potential to void the warranty. Happy flushing from OVE.